Hey everyone. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a dual frisbee slash dual-sided ninja throwing star. It's paper. Yeah, these are still pretty sharp. So if you hit someone with it, they still have. Anyway, alright, so you can throw it like a frisbee, and then you can throw it as a ninja star. However you like it, if you go. Now I'll have a video on how to throw these, so let's get started. So what we're gonna need for this is regular pad sticky notes, and I already have a bunch of these made before, so I'm gonna make 2 with you. So what we're gonna do is start out by taking one of the corners and connect it to the other corner like this. This should end up like this. Then take like this and fold it in like that to make an even smaller triangle, and then fold it over again like you just did, and it should make an even smaller triangle, and that's what you want. So now unfold it, unfold everything, and it should look a little along the lines of this. Now feel the sticky part up top. You might be able to see it up there a little bit, but take the sticky part up top, mine's right here, and fold these corners into the middle, just like that. And take this one and fold it into the middle too, to make it look like that. Okay, now fold just like that. I'll take this, fold it like that, and only go to half. See that right there? Only go to half. Now take this up here, push it down, and it should fold right up, just like that. I'll make one more close-up. Remember, make your little one of your triangles. Just like that. Then move up. Make another triangle, just like that. And then fold it up again to make a small triangle like that. Now, unfold it. Unfold the whole thing. It should look like this. Kind of crooked, sideways. Now, find the sticky part wherever it is, and then fold it into the middle, and then fold the other side into the middle to make it look like that, and fold that just like that, only up to the middle right here. Then fold that down, push that up, crease it. Good to go. Okay, now repeat that. You're going to want to get 8 of them. I'll count out for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Right there. Okay, so you're going to want to take 2 and make it make it look like this. Okay. However you do it, like this. Okay, so follow mine. No, it should look like this. Yes. Sure. And then take those just like that and fold them into this one to make a little foldable type thing, and it can slide. Take another one, do the same thing. Take another one, the same thing. So it should look along the lines of that. Do it again on all sides. Sorry about that, someone came in, I'm sorry. So anyway, let me show you again. So you take these, when you have it like this, and you put it inside these, right there, just like that, and then make it so it moves like that, and then fold it out like right there, and then fold these little things at the top inside of it, just like that, and make it so it's like that. Okay, so do the same with this one. Make sure it's on there, and there. Do the same thing like that. Then on the last one, you do that, fold it in, of course, like that. Then this, you're gonna have to bend out, just like that, and it's gonna go right in there. And same thing right there, you just, this one's a little tougher because you gotta fit that in there, but no biggie. And do that. There you go, it's complete. If it doesn't, work first time, set it under something hard. Or you can like take your math textbook and sit on it with like that so it gets flat, and then unfold it and sit on it so it gets flat. Put it over there. So I'm just gonna sit it right there. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you later. Bye. I will have my Limerick video out later this week. Okay, thanks.